Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope all are fine. In the previous video, we have discussed about the neighboring countries, states and union territories. Today we will discuss about the government. Now all of you open your book, page number 232. There are two types of government in our country, the central government and the state government. Once again, there are two types of government in our country, the central government and the state government. Both work together to ensure the safety and welfare of the people. Now take page number 233. The topic is central government. India became independent on 15 August 1947. Independence gave us the right to choose the people who would govern us. This is done by having an election. The central government looks after the whole country. The members of the parliament are elected by the people, and these elected members form the central government. They make laws for the entire country, and it has its offices in New Delhi. The members of the central government are the president, the vice president, the prime minister, other ministers, and the officers of the central government live and work in the capital. The president. Who is the president of India? Ramnath Kovind. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan? Ramnath Kovind. The Vice President. Who is the Vice President of India? M. Venkaiah Naidu. Once again, M. Venkaiah Naidu. Now, who is the Prime Minister of our country? You know this answer. Yes, our Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. Okay, understood all of you? Now come to the page number 234. The next topic is the state government. It is difficult for the central government to solve the problems of all the people. Therefore, each state elects its own government. The state government governs the state. The state government looks after the welfare of the people living in that state. The members of the state government are the governor, the chief minister, other ministers, and the officers of the state government live and work in the state capital. Now, the governor, Lalji Tandon. Lalji Tandon was the governor of Madhya Pradesh, but after his death, no one is appointed till now. Who is the chief minister of our state Madhya Pradesh? Yes, the chief minister of our state Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Once again, our chief minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Understood these topics? Okay, now look at the video of the central government and the state government.
India is a large country. It's the second largest country in population, right? So it is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, so it is difficult to govern the entire country from a single center. सिर्फ एक कोई सेंटर पूरे इंडिया को नहीं संभाल सकता. For this reason, we have a central government and the state governments. Now, central government, the work of central government is to look after the law and order for the entire country. सारे country के law and order देखना. Then members of the central government such as vice president, prime minister, then various council of ministers. Our president is Ramnath Kovind, vice president Venkaiah Naidu, prime minister Shri Narendra Modi. Okay, and various ministers we have, and दे लिव एंड वर्क इन द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है, इनका रेसिडेंस कहाँ है? न्यू दिल्ली. नाउ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. Each state government makes laws for the people living in that state. State government has a different chief minister and the governor and various members of the state government. Okay, these are the members of the state government. Central and state government together look after the needs of the people of India. पूरी इंडिया को कौन संभालता है? Central and state government. Understood?
Children, you have seen the video of the central government and the state government and understood all of you? Okay, let us learn about the national symbols of India. Did you know the national symbols of India? Yes. What is the national animal of India? Yes. Yes, the tiger is the national animal of India. The next one is the national bird. Which bird is the national bird of India? Yes, the national bird of India is peacock. Very good. The national fruit. What is the national fruit of India? Yes, what is the national fruit of India? The national fruit of India is mango. Very good. What is the national flower? Which flower is the national flower of India? Yes, the national flower of India is lotus. Very good. The last one is the national tree. Which tree is known as the national tree of India? Yes, the national tree of India is banyan tree. Did you understand these topics? For the homework, learn all the exercises of chapter 2. Thank you.